So why the 4 different colour waxes? The first thing you always do, whatever you're doing, is wax it with clear, and afterwards wipe it off with that. Sometimes I don't wax at all with the clear. I use white wax, and the white wax, I'm going to put it here, goes on directly. Clear wax, excess of black wax into there. Such a gorgeous look. Take the excess off. So this clear wax is still wet. That's the clue. Don't put it directly on the paint, and don't put it, because you won't ever be able to remove it if you don't like it, and you won't be able to move it around unless the stuff underneath is still moist, wet. Take some brown wax, wipe the excess off. So each one colours it in a different way. That's clear, that's brown, that's black, and now I can go into the white. You can actually take a bit of clear wax, I'm going to use it with that, and just wipe it around. You'll find that it shows up all the brush marks underneath, or any imperfections in the wood. It's quite subtle, this, but it's really beautiful. And of course you can mix them all. So enjoy wax. It's part of the most beautiful part, I think, of the painting, because it sort of gets things alive and having depth. You don't have to cover the whole thing in black wax. You could put it just on one part. Clear, dark, black, white.